Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XVG. Recently, the price of XVG is rejected by this very long-term resistance zone that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. That was previously working as a support zone here for several weeks. By the way, we are watching on the weekly time frame chart. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped in resistance. Resistance. We got rejection here, and recently we got few more rejections here as well. And the price and dropped down at this very close to this very long-term support of $0.0045. Could not hit this support, but geared up without touching this support. By the way, this is a quite long-term support of $0.0045 that has been recently working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks a month. And for several weeks, it has been working as a support here and resistance here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, if the price line hits this support, then it can break at a very, very strong support to the price line of XVG. And in today's video, I would also like to show this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, you can see that we had a very, very massive rally. And during this rally, it is also getting rejected again and again by this uptrend line resistance as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared on 28th of December 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish bat move that SCI completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was a complete trade signal buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price on FXVG started a very, very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost to more than 40% pump of XVG only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart. And here you can see that recently we broke out this wedge. And our expected target for this wedge was, by the way, here at the top of the wedge at 1 cent. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this very strong and long-term key resistance zone. That starts from 1.5 cent, 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. If you take a look at the previous history of this resistance zone, then you can see that this resistance zone has been working as a very strong support zone here from the month of May 2021 up till the month of December 2021. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. We got rejection here, and recently we got two more rejections here as well. And now we are moving very close to this very long-term support of $0.0045. And it will be really very difficult for the price and to break it down because this is a very long-term support and resistance level. Here it was working at a resistance, 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 and now it can work at a very, very strong support for the price line of XVG. By the way, here it was also working as a support as well. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. You can see that we had a very, very powerful rally after the breakout from this wedge. And the target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.